This is a like metal shop. Look, they've got the skylight blocked. I wonder why. They've got a ton of lockers. So many. They've got a couch. They've got this desk set up and this whiteboard. And then in here, you can see they have all this equipment. I don't want to open it in case, you know, whatever. But it looks like they've got a lot of metal shop stuff and like workshop for like cars and things. In fact, if we went outside, this is large too. Outside, there's a lot of other car things. And then they have this whiteboard thingy, but they don't have a, anyway, sink in the corner. There's like a lot and at the same time, nothing. Nice lighting. Anyway, that's about it for this room.